carrying heat away to the radiator, where it's released into the air. The lubrication system is equally important. Oil flows through the engine, coating moving parts to reduce friction and wear. Without it, metal would grind against metal, and the engine would quickly destroy itself. Now, not all engines are the same. Some cars use diesel engines, which compress air so much that fuel ignites on its own, without a spark plug. Others use hybrid systems, combining internal combustion with electric motors for better fuel efficiency. And of course, the newest generation of vehicles, electric cars, doesn't use combustion at all. Instead, they rely on powerful batteries and electric motors that turn electricity directly into motion, eliminating emissions entirely. Still, the internal combustion engine